Gene Interactions by P. Trinadrao, Lecturer in Biotechnology, Department of Botany Biotechnology, SK Bair College, Amalapuram, Sim 5A, Unit 1. Our topic Gene Interactions. Introduction. The phenomenon of two or more genes affecting the expression of each other in various ways in the development of each character of an organism is known as gene interaction. Gene affected the development of concurrent characters in various ways. These lead to the modification of the typical dihybrid ratio 9 is to 3 is to 3 is to 1 or trihybrid ratio 27 is to 9 is to 9 is to 9 is to 3 is to 3 is to 3 is to 1 ratio occurred. In gene interaction, expression of one gene depends on expression, either present or absent, on expression of another gene. Gene interaction classified as type of green interaction, allelic or non-epistatic gene interaction. These type of interaction give the classical ratio of 3 is to 1 or 9 is to 3 is to 3 is to 1 ratio occur. Non-allelic epistatic gene interaction. These type of gene interaction, gene located on same or different chromosome, interaction with each other for their expression. Epistatic. When a gene or locus with suppress or mask the phenotypic expression of another gene at another locus, such gene is known as epistatic gene. Epistatic is a Greek term and meaning is standing up. Kinds of epistatic interaction. Kinds of epistatic interaction possible for dihybrid cross between two genes. Less than 4 phenotypes appear in F2 generation. Epistatic interactions are of 6 types. First one, dominant epistatic, its ratio 12 is to 3 is to 1. Recessive epistatics, its ratio 9 is to 3 is to 4. Duplicate gene with cumulative effect, ratio 9 is to 6 is to 1. Fourth one, duplicate recessive gene or complementary gene, 9 is to 7 ratio. Duplicate dominant gene, 15 is to 1, and dominant and recessive interaction, 13 is to 3 ratio occurs. These are 6 type of epistatic interactions. Type 1, dominant epistasis, 12 is to 3 is to 1 ratio. It happened when the dominant alleles of one gene mask the expression of all allelic of another gene, dominant epistasis. Example, used to fruit and flowers coloring in plants. Yellow color, both capital A, small a, is dominant over green color, small a's. In this diagram, to observe the yellow and green colored occurs, 12 in white, 3 in yellow color and 1 in green color. Cross between plants, flowers. Second one, recessive epistasis. Its ratio 9 is to 3 is to 4. Sometime the recessive alleles of one gene loci, small a's, mask the action phenotypic expression of allelic of another gene locus, capital B, capital B and small b or small b alleles. This type of epistaxis is called recessive epistaxis. Example, skin color on common mice. We observe in 9 is to 3 is to 4 ratio recessive epistaxis. The skin color of mice 9 are black in color, 3 are brown in color and 4 are white in color. This is the recessive epistaxis example. Its ratio 9 is to 3 is to 4. Third one, duplicate gene interaction. Duplicate gene with cumulative effect. 9 is to 6 is to 1 ratio. Certain phenotype traits depend on the dominant alleles of two gene loci. When the dominant contain homozygous or heterozygous at either locus but not both produce the phenotypic, the F2 generation ratio becomes 9 is to 6 is to 1 ratio. Example, skin color of animal or plant seeds. We observe in this example 9 are red in color and 6 are sandy and also 1 in white color, or its ratio 9 is to 6 is to 1. We observe both capital S and capital R are red in color, small s, small r are white in color, and 6 are in sandy color. Both small ss and r small and capital R occurs. Its ratio 9 is to 6 is to 1. Fourth one, duplicate recessive or complementary gene. Its ratio 9 is to 7. If both loci have homozygous recessive and both of them produce identically phenotype, the ratio 9 is to 3 is to 3 is to 1 would become 9 is to 7. In such case, the phenotype small aa capital BB, capital AA small bb, capital A small bb and capital BB small aa produce one phenotype. Both dominant alleles when present together complete each other and are called complementary gene and produce a different phenotype. Example, sweet pea plant flower colors. In this diagram, complementary gene 9 is to 7 ratio. The color of pea plant, we observed white color, wide varieties and yellow pure color. Its ratio 9 is to 3 is to 3 is to 1. That means 9 is to 7 ratio. Purple color in 9 occurs and white color are 7. Duplicate dominant gene. Its ratio 5 is to 1. If the dominant alleles of both gene loci produce the same phenotype without cumulative effect, the 9 is to 3 is to 3 is to 1 ratio is modified into 15 is to 1 ratio. This is called duplicate dominant gene. Example, shape of flower of capsule. In this example, the capsule flowers are upper side in triangular shape and lowers are disc shaped flowers are observed. So in this ratio, triangular Shape flowers are in capital and both capital and small bb occurs. These are in 15 ratio, and one flower is capital small aa small bb top shaped flowers. Its ratio 15 is to 1 ratio. Sixth one, dominant and recessive interactions. Its ratio 13 is to 3. Sometimes the dominant alleles of one A in homozygous capital AA and heterozygous capital A and small a contained, and the homozygous recessive alleles small b of another gene capital B produce the same phenotype. F2 generation phenotype ratio become 13 is to 3 instead of 9 is to 3 is to 3 is to 1. In such case, the genotype AABB and AABB small a capital A BB capital A small a B and capital small b AA and both capital B and AABB produce some phenotypes and the genotype small aa capital BB small aa capital B and small b and small aa small bb another. Same phenotype but some phenotype. Example, hence. In this slide, observe white Langerhorn and white Plymouth Rock. These are hens. These are in white color and colored occurs. Reference: Cell Biology, Genetic Molecular Biology, Evolution and Ecology by S. Verma, V. K. Agarwal and S. Chand. Presented by P. Trinath Rao, Lecturer in Biotechnology, SK College. Thanks to all.